Hey guys, what's up? In the short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can move your Excel worksheet to another workbook really quickly and applying a simple trick. So let us get started. So open or access the Excel worksheet you would like to move. So let me go with that worksheet for the sake of this tutorial. So what you want to do, guys, is right click on your worksheet here down below. Here you'll see a list of all open worksheets in that workbook. So right click on it. And what you want to do after that is select move or copy from that drop-down menu, and here it says move selected sheets to book. Simply click on that arrow down icon here and select the workbook you would like to move your worksheet to. So make sure that your workbook you would like to move your worksheet to is also open on Excel. So let me go, for instance, with our workbook number 3. So simply select workbook number 3 or book 3 from that drop-down menu here. Click on OK here, and after that your worksheet will be moved to that workbook, as you can see here. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.